Get your ass over there. The fuck you looking at, old man? Huh?
What the hell these spooks up to?
Spooks? But you better get your ass on, Hunky, while I still let you.
That's right,
That's what you better do. Fuck you think you is?
Ever notice how you come across somebody once in a while that you shouldn't have fucked with? That's me.
Man, you fucking crazy, man. Get out of here, man.
Then why don't you get your ass up out of here before I kick your old wrinkly white ass?
Crazy motherfucker, man. What's wrong with him, man? The fuck?
What? This motherfucker crazy. What's wrong with this nigga?
The hell?
Get in the truck.
Crazy motherfucker, man. What's wrong with him, man? You put his finger out.
Oh, shit.
Come on now. Hey, Pops. Come on now.
Shut your fucking face. Fucking don't listen, do you? Now get in the truck.
Don't get in the truck, first.
Way to go, old man.
Shut up, pussy. What is all this bro shit, anyway? Want to be super spade or something? These guys don't want to be your bro, and I don't blame them. Now get your old fade patty ass on down the road.